Akiama na baraba ushoite mwanya na kiama kia DCP dwarinda bakinyire ntereche Wamunyoro muchiko mutongeri wa kiama kiu Rigathi Gachagua. Gachagua akiariria mantu mwanya hera yate wita boya deni ya Meru irio mpithukiro chemaitha akiwa ni bahati kuthiriwa. Akiwa Meru ni muchiyo wa DCP na bakayukite bionde be Meru kuma MCA witietine kia gavana.
Akiari nyuma Kuriunga kwa mushi ntereche Wamunyoro county ya Nyeri nemba mabatongeria na akiama bake make DCP kuma county ya Meru na bara maudhi jao jone ni kurika kunganiro ija moja mantu jara bakona jate gwita bwega kwa mushi county na eje Rigathi Gachagua nari mutongeri wake make DCP nonekete kuregana na endekithia kwa garwe rais kieni kia ndege na kieni kia muchetho jwa ngofu ntereche Meru akiuga ni ntubite na bataburukire mu Meru thai.
People of Meru do not need a state lodge. It's a luxury that they are not interested in. The people of Meru do not need a golf course. Those are luxuries, and they are not a priority for the people of Meru. The people of Meru want water for irrigation. They want good roads. They want good prices for miraa, coffee and tea and milk. They want good hospitals. They want a good environment to do farming and to do business.
Ariuga boko makani mono ni atijaja reta na mre rungurwa PS wa mito getonga mugambi na umete kaunti na eje ya Meru.
Cannot be used by Ruto to destroy home, the livelihood of his people. So we are calling upon President William Ruto and his fake deputy to abandon this issue of putting up a state lodge in immense forest. Completely. And if they want to put up a state lodge, they can put it up elsewhere. Because this is not a priority for the people of Meru.
Ajange jare Gachagua na ora wari munini wa rais ya rere tinto chegi okaria na wakibwa anto agwikaje ba murimo jo Ebola county ya Laikipia.
I'll have no alternative but to call upon the people of Meru to defend themselves. Yes. Because if their government cannot defend them, we cannot afford, we cannot allow these killings to continue. These killings must come to an end. And I'm telling the fake deputy president to be very ashamed that he claims to be our son, yet our people are being killed like chicken. Our livestock is being stolen every day when he is busy with helicopters, bribing people with rice and beans and money for Ruto's re-election. We have every reason to believe that this Ebola center is a strategic plan by William Ruto to wipe out the Mount Kenya community and more so the people of Meru and Laikipia.
Muthia buru ariki na kuga jake make DCP baibangite bwega buru.
I want to assure our aspirants that we shall have free and fair nominations like we had in Kalau. And we want to tell all new aspirants they are welcome to the party, the more the merrier, and assure them there will be free and fair nomination.
Antonia Toto Cheweru TV, Nini Edwin Gatobu.